Oh, look at, no, it's an avocado. It's an avocado plant growing. Look at that. That's an avocado. Wow. Welcome back to a beautiful jungle. I'm gonna do a voiceover in this part. I told you guys I was busy. If you notice in my previous videos, the background noise, one of my neighbors is getting a roof put on, and it was super loud in this corner. So this is the area where the compost bin originally was, and I'm collecting the volunteer tomatoes that came up and collecting the compost that's there, and then I'm going to uppot them. Enjoy the video. I tend to keep the potting mix in the wheelbarrow. I try to, so it just makes it easier for when I need to plant out some things and I don't have to mix. So, just a little tip there. And all this good compost, homemade compost, it's nothing like homemade. There's nothing like homemade. We're going to take all these bottom leaves off because we're going to bury this deep. And make sure there's no air pockets there. And then I'm going to fill it with some more of this dirt. There you go. This is what hands in the dirt call free 99. I'm still laughing every time I see a volunteer in my garden now. It's in my yard. I'm gonna be like, ooh, free 99. Oh, that thing tickled me so much. I don't know why it tickled me so much. Because I know why. He had like the price tag, he had $ free 99. That's why. So this is some more free 99. This may be a cucumber, I don't know, but it looks like a squash. And this is pumpkin seeds that were here. I had 2 pumpkins that I purchased for carving and decorating the house in fall, for the fall. I put some more of that compost that's over there in these 2 5-gallon containers. And I'm just going to transplant them in here. And this is where they'll grow. I already pulled up some from before. I have like 3 of these already. And this is a avocado shell. It's gonna break down. They all break down. We have that compost in there. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm trying to bring up as much of the root with it, but that root is pretty long. Those are the 2 volunteer from the compost pile that I uppotted. They're doing great. All of the volunteers are doing great. And this is all of the plants I got from the sweet potato bed. This one right here in this pot, that is the avocado, and it looks like it's doing very well. You got the tomatillas. Yeah, I'm happy. We have the squash plants. That is looking like a zucchini, but we will tell by its fruit that it bears. Have a blessed night. Bye bye.